Can't complain. Every day is paradise. Something magical happens to you when you immerse yourself into a different culture. It's been way too long since I've done that, but I'm rediscovering the magic and wonder on this visit to Panama. I'm also coming to some life-changing conclusions that I want to share with you today. The eye-catching architecture, the beautiful people, the Spanish language that I've been lucky to remember and use with some effort, but not as much as I thought, are all encouraging me to think of the possibilities, the future, and the joy that life brings. For many years, I've been focused on my must-do list instead of my want-to-do list. In fact, if I'm being honest, I'm pretty sure my want-to-do list has some must-do items on it. I've really lost my ability to dream big without thinking about the steps to make that dream become a reality. That is, until I came to Panama. It could have been the combination of great Latin music and vitamin D, but I'm now so inspired to focus on what makes me happy. I'm having a great time in Panama. This is just so much fun. We are just walking around in the downtown Panama City area, and we came across this photo shoot, and it's just going so amazing. It's so cute, and it's in front of this destroyed church. Look at it. Spending some time in these historic churches makes me realize I need to do what makes me joyful and have a little more faith that things are going to be all right. We're on a boat in the Panama Canal. Whew, it's so relaxing. This is the kind of boat ride I thought we were going on. Oh my God. There's a third one.
Okay, he's gone. Probably he's coming in China.
That was so cool! It wasn't until we got to Rio Hato, Nikki Beach, when I was able to slow down and come to this realization. As my dad showed me around the place, I felt a sense of peace that I haven't felt in many years. I realized I'm a beach baby. I love everything about the beach. The waves, the sound, the salt, the humidity, everything. And I want to make it my mission to be on a beach every year until I can live on one permanently. It's nice. It has the upper cabinets, the double, and the, yeah. I even went along with my parents as they looked at a beautiful beachfront condo. Talk about my vision of paradise. It was after that tour that I realized that this trip is life-changing in many ways. I crocheted poolside with a beach in my eyesight. I realized that I love everything to do with summer and warm weather, and I want to crochet on a beach every year. I want to thrift, and I want to create beautiful things wherever I go with summer in mind. Okay, here we go. Get those legs on! Put your legs on! That was fun. Oh my God, look at that. I just went over that.
Mommy, smile.
It's funny how in preparation for our trip to Panama, I could not find enough time in the day to crochet all the perfect items for our trip. But I loved every minute of it. I loved working with the cotton. I loved picking out colors. I loved thinking about how the garments would look in paradise and feel in paradise. If you've gotten this far, please take some time to watch the rest, as we are going to model all of the items I made for our trip. I'd love for you to tell me in the comments below what item you like the best. Can't complain, every day is paradise. Thank you so much for coming along with me on this trip. I hope that my future videos inspire you to follow what makes you happy, as I will be working to do the same for myself.